Hello there, today I'm at Weeting Castle in Norfolk. I heard reports a few days back that one of the large trees had been blown down in the recent gales in this area, so I thought I'd come along and have a look, take some video and a few photos. So please join me and we'll go and have a look. As you can see, English Heritage, who managed this site, have had the main branches cut off. The tree actually fell into the moat. The moat is actually dried up at the moment. It fell across the walkway which surrounds the castle. It fell into the fence which surrounds the farmer's land. The top of the tree finished up somewhere here. I believe the tree to be at least 200 years old. At the base of the tree, the diameter is about 9 feet. I've tried to find out some more information about the tree, which type of tree it is and exactly the age. I'm still waiting to get some information on that. When I do, I shall post it in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.